Okay, we got Matt Haddaway, Brian McCann. Oh, Jesus Christ! Guys. Guys, my roll is still going. A dual auto of Mickey Mantle and Mariano Rivera. Do you fucking see? Pardon my French. That's Mickey Mantle's autograph. Cut off something, 8x10 of his, I guess. Guys, I got the magic touch. It's not even a joke anymore. Right before I opened this, I was thinking my magic powers had gone away, and I was like, maybe the Mantle's in the next pack. Guys, it's a Mickey Mantle autograph with Mariano Rivera. What is this number to? Stop playing. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. It is 1 of 1. I should end this video now. I'm pretty speechless, guys. Let me put this away. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. My hands are pretty shaky. Bear with me a minute. I need something thick for this. You gotta be kidding me, guys. You have got to be kidding me. I need something thicker. Yeah, 75. Yeah, so anyway, that Sam Fold auto is for trade. Give me a break. Oh my god, guys. Much better fit. 1 of 1. 1 of 1. It's in there. It's in there. Perfect. Nothing's wrong with this one, guys. 1 of 1. Mickey Mantle and Mariano Rivera dual auto. You gotta be kidding me. This is my first 1 of 1 card too, besides the BN Box Breaks autograph I got the other day. I think I'm gonna shit. Alright. I'm continuing with this video anyway.
Alright, third box of the case. I'd say that quad auto is pretty nice. So I'm on my way to satisfied already. I'm liking what I'm getting. The stuff looks good. Haven't hit any huge names yet, but still 3 packs to go. Alright. Alright, my first normal base card to 99, Laduca. A Josh Anderson rookie to 299. A triple Diamondbacks, Brandon Webb, Randy Johnson, Steven Drew to 50. Ooh. Oh! Yes! Pujols logo, man. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. Right there live on camera for you guys. Holy fuck. Sorry about the language. You can complain. You can edit, whatever. I don't care. Fuck me hard. Holy shit. Wow. Alright, who cares? Felix Hernandez. Oh my god! Babe Ruth quad bat to 12. Same pack as the Pujols. Fuck. Oh, and then my last auto. Oh, Papelbon and the new guy to 35. Fuck me. Best pack ever. Best case. Sweet Jesus. Pujols logo, man. Babe Ruth quad bat and this one. Fuck. Thanks for watching. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. I gotta make some calls. Next 2 and 1.
Alright, George. Mr. No Motion just came in and he's going to do these 3 Leaf Limited for you. Hopefully pull you something nice. And
I was good off
pack
vacation
one.
last time.
Yeah, he just came off of his skiing trip here, so didn't break his leg. That
Still
was
got all
nice.
my limbs. Oh, gold spotlight right on top.
Nice.
It's got 3 thick ones.
Oh, the Ultimate Collection I'm shipping to you. Just it was on the table with it. So. Here we go.
Number to 10, Daryl Jackson. This is a blue one. That's a 101.
That's a 101.
Ray McDonald.
Wow.
Okay.
Joe Namath, Tom Brady.
Dang, nice
Is it
pack.
number to 12? No, 100. TJ Huzmajahana, 84. Oh, is that a Barry Sanders auto jersey? Number to 25.
Sweet.
Reggie Nelson. You can give me that for opening because he's a good
Dang, this whole thing's loaded.
All
This was a hot pot box.
Holy
Check this out, George. You got a
moly.
101 auto. Flip that Ray McDonald. Can you sign for that? You got a 101 autograph. Sweet.
Number to 10, gold.
And you got a gold number to 10. And you got a
Joe Namath, Tom Brady.
Joe Namath, Tom Brady dual jersey number to 12. I mean number to 100. Ushmanzada.
Barry Sanders, number to 25.
Barry Sanders auto jersey number to 25. Who's that over there?
Victor Abamari.
Dang, what a nice pack.
Number to 299.
All right, well these are dead, but go ahead. Can you grab that? That was awesome. That was one of the best packs I've ever seen.
Oh, another one.
What?
Another. This one's autographed on the front.
Hey, looking for Chris?
Tell him I'll call him right back.
Can he call you right back? Okay, who's this?
John Beeson, autograph number to 49.
Oh, he's good. Carolina.
Braylon Edwards.
Who was that?
Roger Staubach.
Roger Staubach auto?
No.
I'm having a hard time seeing through this thing.
Cloney, David Cloney, number to 99.
Okay.
Greg Olson, number to 10. Oh, look at that Tom Brady patch.
Oh,
So
sweet.
3-color nasty patch, number to 50. And a Peyton.
Another nice box.
God.
All right, pack
Kill 'em.
3.
What's those berries good?
I'm always good after that. That's a couple $100, yeah. It's at least 150.
What was that Barry number 2?
25.
Oh, okay. And a 101 autograph.
And a 101 autograph.
All right. This should have nothing in it.
Yeah, this should be dead.
Jesus. Never know, though. You never
Prove
know.
us wrong. Randy
Well, you
Moss.
passed the second card.
Oh, sorry. Roger Craig, Dan Fouts.
All right.
Randy Moss.
Oh, a logo patch.
Number to 30. Oh!
Holy hell.
Rudy Johnson.
We were wrong.
101. Logo patch.
Holy moly moly. That is a sick 3 boxes.
Adrian Peterson.
Oh, jersey auto.
Number to 25.
God almighty. This is the best 3 boxes I've ever seen of this stuff.
Dude,
in a row.
I'm good off vacation.
Man, you come off a vacation. Nice. All right, George. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.
Good luck to everyone. Since this is the highest end stuff you can get. I'm glad I finally get to bust it. Oh, fuck. Almost cut myself. Good thing I got armor on. Good lord, this shit's hard as hell. They pack this shit tight. Here is the one box. Let y'all see the non-signature box. Exquisite. Here we go. Forgot it's in this little pack. Alright. For the Rockets, Tracy McGrady had a 225 base. For the Celtics, Gabe Pruitt. Looks like jersey auto out of 225. Should have guessed getting that. Oh my God! How about for the duel between the Suns and the Jazz? Dual logo man, 1 of 1, John Stockton, Steve fucking Nash. Holy shit! Oh my God. Who's got them? The Jazz. Xander the Great, 35, who I have not received payment because he's doing it through the mail. He had until freaking Monday to send me the payment. And the fucking Suns. Holy shit! D4HB33D. Holy cow! A redemption. Auto out of number to 25, Connie Hawkins. Connie Hawkins. I have no clue who's that for, but I'll put it up there once I find out who it's for. And for the Lakers, out of 225, Lamar Odom. Holy shit. Holy cow. This is unbelievable, people. During a group break. Alright, catch you later.
Buying them. Under that? No way. I'm not going to show you guys that card yet. I'm not showing you that card yet. On this side, we got a gold base number to 50 of Danny Granger for the Pacers.
There should get some time. You just can't be crushing the White House.
Well, Dion's got no interest in getting in the White House gates. His next crash is definitely not low-key.
Now, my next crush will
Under that,
Vancouver
for the Kings,
Canada.
we got a Dante Green rookie patch auto number to 225.
We'll see if he makes it. Vancouver can't help for the Olympics. They're looking out for him. I'm sure they are now. All right, well, the season of giving is upon us, and Six Flags, KTLA, and UPS have once again partnered up to help spread holiday.
We got another base card, 125 Chauncey Billups for the Nuggets.
And we're going to give you a special treat. Park attendees who bring a new unwrapped toy get free admission. All you have to do is bring a toy valued at $15 or more. The KTLA Six Flags Toy Drive is happening next weekend. If you want some more information, go to KTLA.com.
Fuck me.
For more information.
Oh my fucking god, dude! I just saw the fucking numbering. Somebody just got seriously paid 1 of 1 2-color patch autograph of Michael Jordan for the Bulls. Wow.
Anyone who brought a toy got into the show for free, and the police officers will then hand out
1 of fucking 1.
toughest neighborhoods. Coming up, hundreds of people take advantage of free HIV testing and make LA County.
There it is, 1 of 1.
Gangbangers
Michael
are finding a
Jordan.
new way to target your children.
That goes to Valmac.
Your kids to do.
Valmac, that is sick.
Santa Monica is about to change, but will beachgoers like it? And if you want to receive news headlines
Wow,
from KJV
last
on
time.
your cell phone or mobile device, you can
Whew, that is the card to cap off nice Night of Fire Handness. Thanks for watching.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
The doctor's here. I'm here with a customer. He's opening up that portrait's baseball. See what he gets.
What is love?
Start going in for a closer look. Uh-oh! Only at the backstop! Holy shit! Only at the backstop! What did I tell you? What did I tell you? You're looking at it, folks. 1 of 1. Babe Ruth Joe DiMaggio. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Folks, there it is. The doctor, you saw it live. Look at the customer. He can't believe it. Only at the backstop. Pick that up. Let's get a picture of that with you. We're going to send this one in the Beckett. Let's get a closer look. Holy smoke, there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Rick in the backstop, number 1.
Holy smoke, you heard it right here from the Dr. Wax battle. We're going down in history. Babe Ruth, Joe DiMaggio, that's a 1-on-1. See if we get it. There it is, look at that.
I gotta get her down here.
Holy smokes. There it is, folks, a 1-on-1. Joe D, Babe Ruth. I got a happy customer. He's calling his girl right now. This is unbelievable. Unprecedented, spectacular. I can't even find a word for this right now.
1-on-1, baby.
1-on-1. The legendary Babe Ruth, Joe DiMaggio, 1-on-1, only at the backstop. I'm getting so nervous, I'm shaking up a storm here. Holy...
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt.
First card, Rashid Wallace, base. Second card, Herbert Hill, 2-color patch, number 225. Not the best rookie, but oh shit. Oh putain. I was thinking about this card. I've seen this card and oh my god. Look at this. Triple logo man. 1 of 1. Putain. Wow, putain. Wow. After the first Herbert Hill, I say it's not a very good box for the moment, but now. Whoa, my god. Oh. Ooh, my heart is... now we have a noble nameplate of Richard Jefferson, number 20 of 25. And the last card is a Brandon Roy base card. So I'll show you again this card. You can see there's a little piece of yellow there and green there for a bird. Wow. So I think I'm gonna sell this card on eBay, but yes, we'll see. So it was an incredible box break, and thanks for watching.
one.
say?
Is that the special edition box? Tell me it is.
It's serial number 2323.
Oh, no way. Is that the LeBron James box?
We'll see who's in it.
Oh.
Should we even open it?
Yeah.
That might be worth more money.
No,
than
you
open.
you definitely need to open
You
that.
need to open that.
You
That's
definitely have to
autographed
open
right there.
it. Let me get
This
close
is
up
my box.
again.
Adam gets that box, I get this
No,
one.
this
box goes back on sale.
This box is going on eBay.
Number
Oh,
23.
that
I told
is
you I pulled
awesome.
a good box, didn't I?
That's
Yes,
nice.
you did, John. All right, let's see what's in there. That's the gold pack.
Oh, what you got right there, my friend?
Oh, please tell me that's a.
Open that card first.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, hold on.
yeah. We'll wait.
Here, I'll tell you what. Since I picked the box and I get to open it, you get to open this now.
I get to open the card.
Make sure you...
All right, hold on. Let's see what this is.
I'm going to open this card here. It appears to be, who knows?
I'm putting this back into plastic to conserve that.
It says the following.
What is it?
Don't open it yet. It says, this upper deck authenticated memorabilia item is protected by a patented blah blah blah. Basically it says this is a LeBron James
This is COA for the box.
autograph 2007-2008 Upper Deck Exquisite Collection. This box of 2007-2008 Upper Deck Exquisite Collection is autographed by LeBron James. James' signature was witnessed by an Upper Deck representative, part of the UDA's patented five-step process. This item is limited to 23, and this is number 23 of 23.
That's his jersey number. It doesn't get any better than that. Well, it may. Let's open up the pack and see what's in there.
Dude,
That's
can
cool.
I tell you I can pull it?
That's nice.
That is awesome.
Saw that underneath.
We might have to.
This is box.
We might have to go back over to Dave's card shop and let him take a picture with it or something, you know. So he has it. That's the best thing I've ever gotten out of Dave's.
Well, it's number 23 of 23.
Yeah.
And,
That's probably the best thing I've ever pulled.
yeah.
Well, this makes up for the first box for sure.
How much do you think that's worth?
Let's not speculate. Let's throw it on eBay and see. But let's see what's in here.
LeBron James.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, every card in there is supposed to be LeBron. I thought I heard something like
Everything's
that.
LeBron James.
Awesome. Awesome.
First card we have is, looks like a base card, LeBron James.
Hey, kick a couple of these losers out of their cases. We're going to put LeBron James in there.
Base card, LeBron James.
All right, is that, that's not numbered. Oh, that's just regular base. All right, regular base
happens
card.
to be
Hey, you know what? All I have to say is all those suckers who passed up on buying options in these boxes on eBay are going to be really probably kicking themselves right
Aaron
now.
Brooks from the Rockets, triple colored patch jersey. I don't see a, oh, actually it's 169 at 225.
Here's your signature,
Okay.
number 23
Oh,
of
let me
23.
zoom in on
LeBron
that
James
real
coming
quick.
next.
It's kind of nice. All right, that doesn't mean anything after this box, but that's a nice card. Who's that autograph right there?
That's LeBron James, 23 of 23.
Oh, I thought you were joking.
No, I wasn't joking.
Wow.
It's coming next.
LeBron
too.
James, 23 of 23.
Let's see, hold it up a little so I can get a little light on it. That is awesome. We'll obviously be scanning these in anyway, but
In a few moments. These are thick
yeah,
right here.
yeah, those are all 130 points.
There you go. Here comes the next LeBron James.
These are going
23 of
straight
23.
from the box right into the plastic holders, right into the scanner, right on eBay.
LeBron James, exclusive patch auto, number 23 of 23 with the number 23 personally autographed.
Oh, you
on the
gotta be
patch.
kidding me. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say about that. I don't know what else to say. Look at that.
Pop it in.
Told you I could pull a good pack, guys.
How do you know it's the middle one though?
Because I watched.
Do we have another thick one
I'll
ready?
get one for ready. I pulled one out.
That's one right there.
Our last card is LeBron James, 23 of 23, patch.
That's a
Dual patch.
dual
or dual
jersey.
jersey, I'm sorry.
23 of 23 dual jersey. Wow, we got the 23 of 23 hand-collated LeBron box. That is awesome. I don't know how Aaron Brooks snuck in there, but that is awesome.